Hey everyone, welcome to Physics Notions. Did you know that artificial intelligence is affecting our decisions and lifestyle every day? Don't you believe it? Let me tell you all kinds of AI examples that we are knowingly or unknowingly part of. Before starting, you must be knowing that the term AI has been in use for decades. It was first coined by John McCarthy in 1956, who was a computer and cognitive scientist. AI is basically giving a machine the power to think, sense, and evaluate its surroundings, somewhat like humans, and its applications are more common than you might imagine. Without getting deeply into its concept and the future consequences, let's get started with the 20 examples of artificial intelligence in everyday life. Number 1. AI in email communications. If you use Google Mail, then you might have noticed the three main features. First is email filters or categorization. By applying AI techniques on our mailbox, Google gave us a smarter inbox, categorizing all the emails on its own into folders such as primary, social, promotions, updates, and more. This helps to organize your mails and give a way to important communications quicker. Through the use of machine learning, Gmail also filters 99% of spam mails. Second is Smart Reply. Smart Reply mimics your personal writing style and offers user a way to respond to emails with simple phrases like thanks, let's do it, I'm in, or I am no longer available with just a click of a button. Users can reply by typing a manual response or may choose one-click smart reply. It also suggests complete sentences based on the preceding line that you have written. It uses AI to quickly compose your email drafts with contextual accuracy and correct grammar. Third is nudging reminders. This feature of Gmail reminds you to follow up on emails you have ignored or forgotten using artificial intelligence. Gmail attempts to determine which emails require a response, then highlights them after a few days of non-attention. Number 2. AI in entertainment and social media. Social media too has a big AI factor involved in it. Whether it is Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter, most of your decisions are being impacted by AI. From the feeds that you see in your timeline to the notifications that you receive from these apps, everything is curated by AI. It uses all your past behavior, web searches, interactions, video watches, and more as sample data to tailor the experience for you, and thus make the apps so addictive that you come back to them time to time again. Even Netflix uses AI and machine learning to give you recommendations on what to watch next. AI also tracks your listening habits and uses the information to suggest other songs you might like to hear as music recommendations. Behind Facebook's new friends suggestion rests an implementation of artificial intelligence and machine learning that analyzes your usage pattern and drives features such as identifying friends from photos. In November 2017, Facebook launched a proactive detection feature that scans posts to detect patterns that may indicate if a user may be considering self-harm. When it detects suicidal thinking patterns, AI-powered programs send mental health resources to the person and sometimes also to his friends. If you use applications like LinkedIn, in that also AI is used to help match candidates to jobs, with creating better employee-to-employer matches. Number 3. Google Predictions and Web Search. When you begin typing a search term on Google, it makes recommendations for you to choose from. That's AI in action. Predictive searches are based on data that Google collects about you, such as your location, age, and other personal details. Using AI, the search engine attempts to guess what you might be trying to find. The algorithm for AI used behind Google's predictive search is called RankBrain. With each search, it improves the search results, bringing in more relevant results to the user. Number 4. AI in digital assistants. Apple's Siri, Google Now, Amazon's Alexa, Microsoft's Cortana are some of the main examples of AI in everyday life. These digital assistants help users perform various tasks from checking their schedules to searching for something on the web and sending commands to another applications, etc. These digital assistants learn from every single interactions and eventually anticipate users' need. They take your questions via voice and process it using the natural language processing and output the result via speech or text. They also assist with a variety of tasks like online shopping, controlling lights and other internet-enabled equipments, setting reminders and alarms, booking cabs, playing music and videos, etc. Number 5. AI in speech recognition. With the combination of speech recognition with natural language processing, smartphones began to offer natural communications between computers and humans. One of the best examples of this is voice-to-text converters. It converts your speech into text using a speech recognition system. Its applications include voice typing, opening applications, and has now become a standard feature among smartphones and computers. If we talk about Google and Siri, these are not just restricted to your phones but are now there for you as smart speakers. They use a complex combination of AI to interpret speech and perform actions. Aside from controlling smart home devices, they can also send quick messages, check the weather, and get the latest news and answer your general questions. Number 6. AI in face recognition. With the launch of iPhone 10, Apple launched a radical way of unlocking your iPhone using just your face as a password. The technology behind this Face ID uses neural engine and facial recognition. It generates a three-dimensional map of user's face, capturing and matching the facial map image during the unlocking procedure. Other phone manufacturers and even Microsoft Windows also adopted facial recognition softwares and used similar technology for unlocking mobiles and computers. Number 7. Adaptive battery charging. Did you know that adaptive charging on your phone uses AI? For those unaware, adaptive battery refers to the feature wherein the phone intelligently learns your usage patterns and optimizes apps accordingly. This feature has been on Android phones ever since Android 9 and is a feature that utilizes Google's DeepMind AI technology. This ensures the maximum possible lifespan for your phone's battery. Number 8. Chatbots. Chatbots utilizes natural language processing and effortlessly impersonate a real person. Chatbot recognizes words and phrases in order to deliver helpful content to customers who have common questions. Chatbots mimic natural language so well that it seems as if you are talking to a real person. They help with the routine tasks such as booking appointments, taking orders, and answering billing queries. ChatGPT is a prominent example of chatbot. Businesses use artificial intelligence to develop chatbots for ease of work. For instance, OpenAI has made ChatGPT that delivers responses to queries of customers like humans. ChatGPT even get internet accesses soon. Number 9. AI in online stores and services can be considered one of the best example of AI in everyday life, which is improving quality of shopping platforms as well as the customer experience. How can you type in red bags and get a list of red colored bags instantly? It is made possible by AI algorithms. Amazon and other online retailers use AI to gather information about your preferences and buying habits. Then they personalize your shopping experience by suggesting new products. When you search for a product, search engine shows related items that other people have purchased when searching for same product. All this happens through machine learning. Number 10. AI in banking and finance. AI plays a vital role in banking by providing security features as well as convenience to its customers. Banks have gone entirely digital. AI helps safeguard your payments by using facial and speech recognition, allowing only authorized payments to go through. Alerting for bills, loans, transfers are also managed through AI. Also, AI based credit scoring is probably the best example of banking benefits through AI. Credit scoring basically refers to a number between 300 to 850, which signifies the level of creditworthiness. Higher the number, better are the chances for a potential borrower to get the loan from a lender. This scoring is done by a mathematical model of AI depending on a variety of data, total income, transaction analysis, etc. Machine learning also prevents fraud by regularly monitoring your spending habits, taking into account your intervals between transactions, its location, value, and more. If an unusually large transaction takes place in your account, you might get a warning alert or may get flagged for a fraud prevention. Number 11. Navigation and travel experience. Another great example where AI daily affects us is the navigation and travel. When apps like Google Maps calculate traffic and construction in order to find the quickest route to your destination, that's AI at work. Google Maps, with the help of machine learning, learns about your everyday work commute and alerts you about traffic or a blockage in the way. It can also identify delays in transportation systems such as flights, trains, and buses by factoring in traffic status, weather conditions, and more. Number 12. AI in ride-sharing applications. When it comes to apps like Uber and Lyft, you must be aware that these apps run on AI. AI is supporting these apps to develop reliable transportation solutions for everyone and everywhere. Whether it is setting a price for journey or to minimize the time taken by the car to reach a specific location, magic behind all this is the work of AI engineers. With the various advanced algorithms, they make it possible to determine the situation of traffic and arrival time. By analyzing data, these apps determine the shortest route possible for the ride and also provide a list of previously searched destinations for quick bookings. These apps are still improving with many great services. Number 13. AI in smart and autonomous cars. There is no better display of AI than what smart car manufacturers are doing with it. Just a few years back, using a fully automatic car was a dream. However, now, companies like Tesla have made so much progress that we already have a fleet of semi-automatic cars on the road. Did you know that all the Tesla cars are interconnected and the things that your car learns are shared across all the cars? It is AI that provides all the power that is required for a self-driving car to operate. Developers process many complex data using machine learning, neural networks, and image recognition technology to develop self-driving cars. Neural networks are able to trace out traffic lights, pedestrians, etc., and through machine learning make self-driving possible. Some well-known examples of autonomous cars are Nutonomy, Autox, Tesla, Zoox, Volvo, etc. Number 14. Security and surveillance. AI techniques are being successfully applied to multiple aspects of cybersecurity, including anomaly detection, solving the false positive problem, and conducting behavioral threat analytics. AI is playing a big part in security and surveillance with technologies like object recognition and facial recognition. It is getting better and better every day. Companies such as PlateSmart and Intellivision uses computer vision, that is a form of AI that can see and understand images. Along the deep learning, it turns conventional surveillance into vehicle monitoring. This plays an important part in integrated traffic system and helps authorities in surveillance. Videos are now searchable for specific plate numbers, and that's enough to prevent one to blow through red light. Number 15. AI in healthcare. Use of artificial intelligence in healthcare are immense. AI do tasks of doctors with minimal cost and time usage. AI helps to gain deeper insights into diagnostics, treatment strategies, etc. Data digitalization in the pharmaceutical industries generate huge leaps of data that needs to be processed to hunt for new pharmaceutical products in a quicker time. The integration of AI in cancer care has assured doctors improved diagnostics and speedy clinical aid decision making, ultimately leading to better health results. Scientists are leveraging AI technology to improve cancer screening in cases of prostate and cervical cancer also. Another best known AI example in healthcare is robot assisted surgeries. This overcomes the limitation of pre existing minimally invasive surgical procedure and assist doctor while performing open surgeries. Number 16. Fall detection and car crash detection. Newest Apple Watches come with a fall detection feature that alerts the nearby emergency team when it senses you had a hard fall. It uses data from the accelerometer and gyroscope to sense the fall and leverages AI algorithms to accurately sense a hard fall and saves the person in problem. Similarly, Google and Apple iPhones now come with car crash detection, which is trained on machine learning models of real life car crashes. If the phone senses a car crash, it sends the location to your chosen contacts and also sends an alert to the response team. Number 17. AI in video games. Video game industry is probably one of the earliest adopters of AI. The integration started with the use of AI to generate random levels that people can play. However, that has increased to a level that goes far beyond what one can imagine. When you play a game like PUBG or Fortnite, you essentially start against a couple of AI powered bots and then move to play against real players. Even if you are playing racing games, you are racing against AI bots. Non-player characters that react dynamically to player actions are also AI controlled. Automated newer game environment is also generated with the help of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Number 18. Google Lens and OCR. Google Lens is another Google service that is built on AI and has some great technology for fast and accurate optical recognition. It allows you to search for anything through images. Just point the camera to a book or a plant or an animal or a text. It can detect the type of subject and will provide precise information on that thing in just a few seconds. All of this is possible because of AI's advancement in the field of optical recognition. All the OCR softwares are built on AI to detect the characters on an image. Number 19. AI Image Generator. You must already be aware of the power of AI when it comes to visual media. Did you know that you can actually generate full-fledged images through AI? The advent of artificial intelligence has actually resulted in image creation being a very easy process. These generators use a combination of AI technologies to intelligently create a wide variety of images. AI image generators like Midjourney are amazingly excellent in coming up with vivid and beautiful images. Number 20. Robot vacuum cleaners. We all have to clean, right? Robot vacuums are there to help you clean. The robot vacuum uses AI to scan a living area's size, look for objects that might be in the way, and remember the best route for cleaning the carpet. Robot vacuum uses visual simultaneous localization and mapping, that is VSLAM technology, to build a virtual map of the room. And that's all about how artificial intelligence is impacting our choices in one way or another and making our lives more efficient. What do you think about AI's role in our lives? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Also, like, share and subscribe if you find this video informative.